What are the main differences for you between studying and being an entrepreneur?
When you are in a company, you have to be a bit more pragmatic and solve the problems, not just finding or trying to answer research questions, but you have to also really solve the problem and make it reliable and work every time. So often in university or in academia, you design a prototype, you try something, it works, you publish a paper, and then you may continue on it, and then, or in most of the cases, it will stop there. So in a company, it's different. We have to push it to a state that other people can use it, and it can be also used to add value to other people on a global level. So that's a very cool thing. Maybe the difficulty of being outside the academia is underestimated. So the outside world doesn't work like in academia. So it's a different thing. So it's a challenge. If or for me, that I was living always in the bubble of the university was quite kind of easy going environment, but outside is not. People expect reliable solutions, something that always works and can add real value, and then you will be challenged in many different directions.